Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY and hand lettering videos. In today's video, we are going to make something very special for the 75th Independence Day. Let's start. Firstly, wishing everybody a very happy Independence Day. आज ही के दिन in 1947 we got our independence and this year it is our 75th Independence Day celebrations. So ये बहुत special है and on this special day मैंने Independence Day themed ये artwork आप सबके लिए बनाया है. So on a paper I have made a few circles and मैंने मंडाला में जैसे हम framework बनाते हैं, guidelines बनाते हैं, I have done that. So if you don't know how to make it, go check out my mandala video. I'll put the link in the description. आप वहाँ पे जाके check कर सकते हैं. And then now using the orange, blue and green, I'm going to make this little artwork for the Independence Day special video. So I hope you like it. I hope you celebrate this day with great enthusiasm and vigor. And this video is a salute to all the heroes out there, to all the soldiers, to all the people who have given their lives to protect this country and जो आज भी हर तरह से अपने देश के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. ये एक छोटा सा मैसेज है to never forget their struggles, to never forget what they have given for us to be this amazing country that we have, to enjoy this freedom जो हमें मिला है because of all of those people who are silently protecting us from the dangers. Let's spread love and support towards each other as Indians and stand by each other always. Happy Independence Day once again. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.